Can? Okay. Testing. Okay, now, so I'm going to draw my quadrant for angle A in the first quadrant. Cosine is 3 over 5. Cos is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So 3, 5. Your opposite will be 4. Okay, remember that your hypotenuse, I put star, hypotenuse is always positive. Any idea why? Why is the hypotenuse always positive? Because of the Pythagoras theorem. You're finding the length of it. Okay, so if going to the right is positive, going to the left negative, go up positive, go down negative. Okay, do the same for angle B. Let's draw angle B. What's the ratio? Cos B is 5 over 13. So A is 5, hypotenuse 13. What is the opposite? 12. Okay, if some of you still haven't remembered, go and remember the Pythagoras triples. What are the Pythagoras triples? 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25. These are the basic 3 pairs that they will use. Okay? Now, having said that, let's look at cos A plus B. Which formula should I look at? Addition. Okay, so turn and check. Cosine means what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, let's do. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, I would like you to sub in what is cosine A, what's cosine B, what's sin A, what's sin B. Okay, let's do. Okay, so cosine A is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 3/5. Look at the angle A here. Cos B, 5 over 13. Subtract. Sin A, opposite 4 over hypotenuse 5. 4/5. B will be 12 over 13. Okay, and please calculate that. Okay, 3 over 5 times that minus that. Okay, I think you should get negative 33 over 65. Okay? Okay, so for quadrant diagram, it will come out, confirm. Last chart. Okay, let's look at part 2 now. Cosine C. Alright, earlier on, remember I told you, look at angle C. Did they tell you anything about angle C? Nothing, right? Okay, so here you must form a relationship between A, B, and C. What do you know of the relationship of angle A, B, and C? They will add up to 180. Okay, so since angles A plus B plus C is 180, angle C will be 180 minus A plus B. Agree? Angle C will be 180 minus A plus B. And do you notice your supplementary angles here? Okay, if you look at your notes in chapter 9, there is one part. They'll tell you cosine of this value will give you a ratio. Okay, so therefore, cos C will be cosine 180 minus angle A plus B, square bracket. Question so far? I'm substituting angle C inside here. Okay? Okay, any questions? No questions, huh? Now, what I want you to see is, do you see your addition formula here? Okay, what do I mean by this? I'm going to highlight 180. I'm also going to highlight A plus B. Do you see this as addition formula of cos A minus B green? I repeat, do you see your addition formula here as cos A as 180 and B as A plus B? Anybody cannot see it. I repeat third time. I want you to see this as cosine A minus B in green. Okay? So this is where you use your addition formula. Cos 180 cos A plus B plus sine 180 sine A plus B. You can see it. This is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay, you all look like deep in thought. I am using this. Okay, maybe I don't use A minus B. I use X minus Y. Do you see this as this? Your X is 180. Your Y here is A plus B. You can see? Cannot. You're very quiet. I'm be scared. Who don't understand? Jaren, okay? Confirm? Okay. Now, what is cosine 180? Press your calculator. What's cos 180? Negative 1. So this will be negative cos A plus B. Sine 180. What is sine 180? 0. Okay, so you notice that this will become 0. So it becomes plus 0. Because 0 times anything will be 0. Now, am I going to do another addition formula, cos A plus B? You can, but you notice that in part 1, have you found the value of cosine A plus B? Yes. So I'm going to sub in negative your answer in part 1. So part 1 solution. Because I have already found cosine A plus B. And answer will be the positive of 33 over 65. Okay, so this was one of the O-level question that came out 2018. Yeah. Okay, so when it came out, I was also a bit shocked when they have to use the relationship of A plus B plus C is a triangle, which I thought is a very good question. This one I think was 4 marks, 4 or 5 marks. Part A is 3 marks. Okay? Can? So please put a star for C. This one. Put a star there. Alright? Okay, any more questions? I heard 5C from Nigel. Let's do the question 5C. Any more questions? Is it the proving, Nigel? Proving. You asked me for 5C right now? Okay, let's look at 5C. Okay, take down, for those who haven't taken down yet. Your A and B, please do it at home. Okay, let's look at 5C. Before we go question 5, question 3 and 4, any questions? 1 part 2. 1 part 2. Anyone cannot do 1 part 2? Or 5C first? Which one you want me to do? 5C. Okay, we do 5C. There's more. You can ask Joseph later. Okay, let's look at 5C. Okay, I have this sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha cos beta. I will start with the left hand side. Okay? So same thing, numerator, addition formula. Sine alpha plus beta is the same as what? Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta over this. Okay? Now, let's look at part C. How should I continue here? How you continue is you need to look at what is the end in mind. If you look at the end in mind on the right hand side, what consists of the end? I got 1 plus cotangent alpha, tangent beta. If you look at the left and the right, what is the difference? On the left, how many terms is there? There is only one term on the left. But on the right, I have 2 terms. Currently, I have 1 term only. So I must make 1 term to eventually become 2 terms. Okay, now look at this step. Is it still 1 term? Yes. So what is the hint that I'm trying to tell you? You will need to break it up. Okay, so in this next step is you need to break it up into 2 separate terms. Okay, so with the common denominator, you just split cos alpha sine beta over sine alpha cos beta. Okay, if you don't get it, I will show you a simple example at the side. i.e. 1 plus x over x. This is the same as 1 over x plus x over x. Agree with me? I'm just splitting it up. In your E-math, I know you always combine to single fraction. Sometimes in life you must do the other way. Okay, so the blue part is my thinking and my brain. Okay, I saw you like that. Never mind. Okay, so here can simplify. Is the first term equals to 1? Yes. You will realize that what can be cancelled? I can split it this way. Do you see cos alpha over sine alpha? What is cos over sine? Why freeze? Cos over sine is cotangent. So this will be plus cotangent alpha. Sorry, not cos, cotangent, COT. Sine beta over cos beta is tangent beta, right hand side. Okay, like that is 3 marks. 3 steps. Alright, any questions?